In today's video, we're going to check out the top 5 best drawing tablets in 2019. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about these drawing tablets, you can check out the description below. If you'd like to win one of these products, make sure you watch the whole video, click the like button, and comment the hidden word found in this video. At number 5, it's the Wacom Cintiq 16. If you're searching for a drawing tablet, Wacom has a great lineup, with tablets that provide excellent value for their price with interesting features, great displays, and adequate performance. One such item is the Wacom Cintiq 16. It's the most affordable of the Cintiq series, and thanks to its good display with good colors, a great pen, and excellent pressure sensitivity, this tablet offers the best value for its money. The Wacom Cintiq 16 has a 15-inch thin-film transistor liquid crystal display with 1920 by 1080 Full HD resolution. On top of the screen, you'll find a textured overlay for anti-glare. It's not extremely bright, but I found it was enough for studio applications. It covers 72% of the color gamut that'll prove to be adequate for most designers and photographers. There are also flip-out legs on the back of the device which allow you to set it on a 19-degree incline. However, there's no stand included. The Pro Pen 2 is included in the package of the Wacom Cintiq 16 and is excellent in terms of build quality and sensitivity. It also works with Pro Pen 3D that you can buy, and that's a good investment if you're working with 3D modeling. Also, it's worth stating that the Pro Pen line has 8,192 levels of sensitivity. There's a single cord coming out from the device and it's located on the top edge of it, going with a cleaner design because that cable splits into USB-A, HDMI and power lead. The Wacom Desktop Center is a nice addition which gives you plenty of controls like the brightness, contrast and color temperature for personalization and preference. The only caveat with this drawing tablet is that it doesn't support multi-touch, with fingers to be exact. This may be a little worrying for those that are coming from the iPad range and for photographers. However, most professionals won't be worried about it. Everything considered, the Wacom Cintiq 16 is an excellent tool for professionals and for drawing enthusiasts that provides excellent value for its price. At number 4, it's the Huion H610. If you can't afford the high-end models like Wacom or Apple, but you need a drawing tablet, rest assured Huion has an excellent affordable option for you. The Huion H610 is an excellent budget drawing tablet with good resolution, excellent pressure sensitivity, and a great pen to complete this excellent overall package. In the package of the Huion H610, you'll find the tablet itself, a rechargeable pen, a mini USB cable, pen charging cable, a pen holder with 4 spare nibs, the installation CD, and the user manual that explains everything in depth, from the initial setup to the use and features. This package is very interesting and it doesn't get better than this at that price. I think it holds some amazing value. The Huion H610 has a pretty solid build, very sturdy for a budget drawing tablet. I was really impressed with the build quality as the product doesn't feel cheap at all. The frame area is pretty good as well, but I felt it was a little too thin if I rested my arm on top of it while drawing, but putting a thin notebook there deals with that issue easily. The Huion H610 has an active drawing area of 10 by 5.25 inches that's covered with a smooth semi-matte finish that's very easy to work on, and you'll see that you can make fast, long strokes accurately and precisely. It doesn't support touch controls though. The area is adequately large and generous for the price, and I think that most designers and drawers will be pleased with the drawing surface. You have 8 express keys on the side of the Huion H610, so you can simply zoom, undo and change brush sizes with just a press of a button. All the buttons are very smooth and intuitive as they're pretty clear. There are also 16 soft keys that you can assign your preferred keyboard shortcuts to. The pen is pretty good and solid with a comfortable shape and weight. It has 2048 pressure levels and 2 shortcut buttons. The tablet is compatible with almost every designing and drawing software in the market, and it'll be a nice addition to your studio. At number 3, it's the Apple iPad Pro. The Apple iPad Pro is an excellent tablet that's great for drawing as well as for tons of versatility, because you can use it as a regular tablet for working, streaming movies, taking photos and much more. It has a perfect screen, great performance and Apple reliability. It's definitely the best tablet ever made, and it can really replace your laptop without worries. Since Apple first started manufacturing tablets, it's gone with the same design until the latest version of the iPad Pro. This time it's opted to remove the home button and has curved corners just like the iPhone X design. Despite having a 12.9-inch screen, the model is incredibly small thanks to its slim bezels. It really feels good in the hands and it's carryable, unlike the older models. It has a weight of 631 grams and is 6mm thick throughout. Due to its flat sides, now the Apple Pencil attaches to the side magnetically and it charges wirelessly while it's there. This was one of my favourite features of this tablet. The pen may be a little expensive to buy, however it's excellent with pressure and tilt sensing. The new model features a flat edge to stop rolling and you can double tap it to activate certain tools that'll help with its use. Also, it has a matte finish to give it a better and more comfortable grip. The Apple iPad Pro now uses a ProMotion screen, and this technology controls and shifts how often the screen refreshes, as it can offer up to 120 FPS and down to 24 FPS. It supports 2732 by 2045 resolution that looks amazingly sharp. The brightness is also perfect, and the P3 wide color display provides the most vibrant experience in a tablet. The True Tone color adjustment feature that's also present on iPhones also makes the image warmer and more natural to the eye. The Apple iPad Pro is the perfect mobile studio for artists and designers, as it allows plenty of software to be installed on it that'll be perfect for drawing and designing. Designers gave it high marks for its features and productivity. At number 2, it's the Wacom Intuos. For creating digital art, you need special tools, and those don't really get better than Wacom's. It really leads the industry in this segment and has set the standard for other companies. It has a wide range of drawing boards, and I was particularly impressed with the Wacom Intuos, which was excellent for beginners, thanks to its excellent pressure sensitivity pen control, good size, good features and affordable price. If you want to get started with digital art, this is the way to go. The Wacom Intuos has a screen-free design. The drawing surface of the tablet corresponds to your monitor, meaning that it works like a trackpad essentially. The controls are in your hand, however you are focused on the screen. It sounds counterintuitive, but it's very natural once you start. The drawing surface of the tablet is 7.9 by 6.3 inches large. That's pretty generous, and on top of it you'll find 5 express keys that have a convex shape to double the function for resting the pen. The middle button works as a power button and is also helpful for setting up the Bluetooth connection. You can customize the other 4 buttons depending on your preference and needs. When I first took the pen in my hands, it felt like a typical writing pen throughout. On its side, you'll find 2 buttons that can be customized to your liking. The tablet is made from a smooth plastic that feels excellent and will fit right into your office desk or home studio, and underneath you'll find 4 rubber pads that'll provide grip so the tablet won't move around. After installing Wacom software, you can essentially use it on any app like a mouse. Through the app, you can customize the buttons, view the battery status, and control many more settings. It's also worth stating that the Intuos is compatible with any operating system. The Wacom Intuos is a perfect entry-level drawing tablet that'll hone your designing skills until you're ready to go to larger and pricier options. It'll be great for photo editors and illustrators, and thanks to its sensitivity and responsiveness, it'll provide an exceptional experience. And at number 1, it's the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is the perfect drawing tablet, as it can also act as a standalone PC thanks to its large size, excellent screen, the best in the industry pen, and the Wacom Pro engine. It really doesn't get better than this. However, this product is really pricey and is mainly designed and manufactured for professionals that require the best accuracy and colours. But if your job requires those, it'll justify its price. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is really a behemoth, as the tablet itself measures 677 by 394 by 47mm, and it's designed to sit on a desk and be sure to have space for it. Compared to other all-in-ones, it looks rather large and chunky, but it is a professional tool, so I understand the decision to build it like this. The whole device feels very robust and solid all around, with a great rear stand that won't move, and even if you lean on the tablet itself, you won't feel any flex or bend. Connectivity-wise, the product ticks all the boxes, as it has plenty of options regarding it. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 comes with a Pro Pen 2, like the Cintiq 16, and it offers a perfect 8,192 pressure sensitivity levels, destroying the competition in this regard. The pen delivers the best drawing experience in the market, as it's super accurate and is extremely versatile, working with a wide range of software. The Express Key remote also was perfect, as it lets you switch between layers or even adjust brush sizes on the go, and you can go whichever way you want, as you can customize its 17 keys depending on your needs. The 24-inch IPS panel with 16:9 aspect ratio, 4K Ultra HD resolution is absolutely gorgeous. It offers a 1000:1 contrast ratio, 350 nit brightness, and covers a perfect 99% of the Adobe RGB color gamut. That's the norm for artists. This is all out of the box, meaning that if you tweak and configure it a little, you can even get more impressive images. If you want the best of the best and can afford the price, the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 is the way to go. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.